Highly trained, licensed, bonded, and insured. Inland Emergency Plumbing handles residential and commercial drain cleaning, maintenance and repairs of hot water heaters, toilets and faucets, and garbage disposals. We also fix high and low water pressure problems, gas leaks and water leaks, and take care of copper repiping and slab installation, leak detection, hydrojet sewer inspection, video pipe inspection, and more. In some circumstances, we provide free plumbing repairs and leak detections. Some restrictions apply. So call Inland Emergency Plumbing today for your free estimate at 951-901-8666.